Hello everyone, good day to you all. This is a Crypto Prophet. Click on the subscribe button to enable you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, guys, let's hop in straight into the chat. So guys, I just want to give you all an update concerning the new week. The new week begins from tomorrow, and I want to state out some key observations here in the chat. Now, presently the dollar is experiencing a bottom. This candlestick that has formed for the US dollar is a candlestick for reversal. So I'm expecting the dollar to pick up beginning from this new week as we progress further. So if you're trading Forex and if you're trading the dollar, if you're trading against the dollar, please be very careful because the dollar may end up getting you wrecked. You need to trade in line with the dollar. So we are going to observe and see what's going to happen, but I'm giving you the updates now that the dollar is bullish, is getting set for a reversal. Ensure you follow me on Twitter, ensure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You're going to get updates there that I'm not going to share on YouTube. Also join my Telegram channel. I'm dropping updates there for the bull run. Those who are there would be guided properly. And let's take a look at the the price of Bitcoin, guys. Now, Bitcoin currently has been trading in this range, okay, for some days now, for more than 30 something days now, for the past let's calculate this and see. So guys, for the past 40 days, Bitcoin has been trending within this range, and this range is going to fail because this range is without volume. This is where the professionalism comes in, because if you're not a professional, if you do not understand how this works, you're just going to be looking at the price. But now Bitcoin has just been rising up without volume, and this is not a good sign. This is a sign of a reversal. There's a reversal that is coming beginning from this week, guys. There's a reversal that is coming. Bitcoin is going to have a retracement. Okay, so you can see here that Bitcoin actually slammed into this red line, and right now it is just not too far from this same red line. So even if you see Bitcoin pump to 40k, okay, it's still going to have an encounter with this trend line here. And the daily charts for Bitcoin is actually turning into a bearish pattern. Already the weekly chart for Bitcoin is bearish. It's not looking very good. The weekly chart for Bitcoin is bearish. If we take a look at the Dow Jones, I want us to take a look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones, the US 30. So guys, if you take a look at the Dow Jones, there's something I want to talk about. Now, the Dow Jones seems to be slamming into resistance. So I'm expecting a pullback in the Dow Jones in the days to come, okay, over the days to come. And this definitely is going to affect Bitcoin, okay. You know, most times, lots of people that talk about crypto, they do not also understand that the stock exchange market moves in line with the financial markets, and this is where the professionalism and the expertise comes in, because I also take a look at the stock exchange markets and also take a look at the crypto space before I make my decision. And this is why the Crypto Prophet most times is able to tell you what is going to happen with a very high level of accuracy. Okay, so the Dow Jones is topping out, guys. So I'm expecting a retracement for the Dow Jones, and definitely this is going to affect Bitcoin. If you take a look at the Nasdaq, the NDX, if we take a look at the Nasdaq, guys, we're going to see that the Nasdaq is having a retracement already, okay. The Nasdaq is already having a retracement in the daily time frame, so I expect the Nasdaq to come down and test this red line here, or come down and have a retest of this base, and this definitely is also going to affect Bitcoin, guys. So you need to be extremely careful, because this new week that is coming, I'm saying that Bitcoin is going to have a retracement of some sorts, and yeah, it's going to have a retracement, and then we see what next is going to happen. Okay, so let's take a look at the S&P 500. We take a look at the S&P 500 as well. The S&P 500 as well, the same thing. is what is happening. So I'm looking at this particular white line here, but I've not yet seen the S&P 500 slam into this white line. But should we get a pump of some sorts, then this white line would be an area of resistance for the S&P 500. So guys, in conclusion, what am I saying? This is what I'm saying. I'm saying that Bitcoin is going to have some retracements. This pump you see here is without volume. Okay, let's take a look at it here for more clarity. Bitcoin US dollar charts. So guys, if you take a look at the price of Bitcoin, you're going to see that the price is slanting up, but the volume profile is going down. It is only one who is a novice that would not understand what is happening here. The price is rising. You see the price just kicking up and rising up, but you see that the volume profile is diminishing. Okay, this is it. This is not a healthy sign, guys. This tells you that this move that you see here has no volume. It's like building a story building without pillars. There's no pillar in this pump, so definitely this rally is going to fail. So whether you believe me or not, whether you doubt me or not, it's none of my business. Okay, I'm telling you exactly what is going to play out. No matter how long it's going to take, definitely this is going to play out, and you will sure remember the Cryptoprophet and run back and come back. It's as simple as that. And I'm telling you this, guys, listen, Bitcoin is going to come crashing down. Now when I say come crashing down, Bitcoin is going to have a retracement. I'm looking at it dropping to around $32,000 to $30,000 thereabouts. Then from there we would have another retracement up. Maybe we may pump back to 35k or $35,000 thereabouts before we have a major dump that will come back and take out this line. So no matter how Bitcoin pumps, guys, we are not yet in a bull run, because there are lots of charts that confirms we have not yet entered into the bull run. But now for me, the Cryptoprophet, I'm telling you this, I'm seeing this as an opportunity to make money for the bull run, because when the market comes down at the long run, I'm going to make money from here, and then when it's picking up from the bull run, I would also make money from here. So as many of you who are interested, you can follow the Cryptoprophets, and that would be it. It's as simple as that. So I'm not here to entertain you. I'm not here to seek for your attention, because I don't have that time. I'm only here to tell you what it is, so you can choose to believe me or you can choose to doubt me. It doesn't change anything, and it doesn't stop me from making money out of the markets over this period of time. I've told you all my targets for the bull run, $10 million to $30 million out of this markets. Okay, so if you do not understand how this market operates, that's where you're going to have a problem, because currently Bitcoin is inside this rising wedge, and this is a bearish formation, guys. So I'm expecting in the long run for Bitcoin to come down and test this range. Okay, so you just need to be very, very careful. If you're trading crypto, be very, very careful, because do not move by what you see. Don't be carried away by what you see in your eyes. You only move based on confirmation. So that will be all, guys. That will be all for now. Ensure you follow me on Twitter. Ensure you follow me on Facebook. Ensure you follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be dropping some charts there that I'm not may not have the time to share on YouTube. Also, ensure you join my Telegram channel. It's very, very important, because I'm going to be dropping updates there for the bull run that you may not find on other platforms as well. So that will be all, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Do not forget what I've told you. I'm expecting Bitcoin to have some retracements this new week that we are entering into, way into next week. So if you see some kind of retracement of some sort, just know that the market is reacting. But for now, I also want to chip this in. I also want to say this. Now, most times bearish divergences can be very boring, okay, because most times the price may just be going up if it's a bearish divergence, but you see that there would be no momentum, there will be no volume. You know, the indicators will just be going down. And most times it may be very frustrating, but the truth is when it plays out, it is always disastrous. The same thing happens for a bullish divergence. Most times the price may just be going down, 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 but the indicators may be going up, up, up. You know, and if you're not careful, you would miss out of the big move, because once the price starts picking up, it pumps without mercy. That's the way cryptocurrency is, and this is why you need to be experienced. This is why you need to be knowledgeable in all this. Okay, so you should just count yourself lucky if you're getting this information. That's just it, because this is coming straight from the Cryptoprophets. So I've mentioned the dates for you. I am not going to go back again. Go back to my previous videos, watch my previous videos. So I'm looking at beginning from this week into next week, expect some form of volatility. Now that does not mean Bitcoin cannot touch higher prices. It can touch higher prices, no doubt, but for me, from based on what I'm seeing, based on my level of experience, I'm telling you this, that the market has stopped out. So if you like, you believe me. If you like, you can doubt me. That's your business. Take a look at this. The price is going up, indicators going down. Very clear. Indicators going down, but you have the price going up, bearish divergence. If you take a look at the volume profile, you see that the price is going up, but the volume profile is slanting down. This is a very good example. Okay, this is a very, very good example. Look at this. It's very clear for you to see. Okay, if you even check the 1 week charts, the same thing applies in the 1 week charts here. If you take a look at the 1 week charts, guys, you would see that in the Bitcoin 1 week charts, beginning from here, look at it. The price is slanting down. Oh, sorry, I didn't draw this well. The price of Bitcoin is slanting down. Look at it. It's very clear. You see here that the price is slanting down. Let's take out this so that you can see it properly. So guys, you see that the price of Bitcoin is slanting down, but look at how the price is rising up. This is a thing of concern. This tells you that beginning from this candlestick here, the price of Bitcoin was strong. This volume was strong, but counting from here upwards has no volume. So this is why I'm telling you that this rally of Bitcoin is going to fail. So for the past 200 and for the past 259 days, guys, we have not had volume in the markets. So this tells you that this rally is as a result of hype. The retailers are the ones pumping money into this rally. It's not the smart money. The whales are not putting in money in here. This is why you see the volume going down. So when you're having a decrease in volume but an increase in price, that is a reversal. No matter how long it takes, it is definitely going to play out. So guys, I wish you good luck. Ensure you follow the crypto prophets. Do not forget my words. I expect a retracement this week into next week. I've pointed out some key charts to you. There are other charts as well, but time would fail me to share them with you. So thank you so much, guys. Go subscribe to my Telegram channel. Ensure you're following me on Twitter and Instagram. I'm going to be sharing some charts there as well for you to understand better. And I'm going to be sharing some other informations there too as well. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I remain the Crypto Prophets. God bless you. See you in my next video.